Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert your HTML file to PDF file. So let's go to Adobe Acrobat first. Then you'll find here top right corner file icon. This file option, click on this and then click on open. Now choose the location where you have the file. Click on all files. You have to choose this drop down and choose all files. Otherwise you can't find this. Now you have to choose the HTML file. Click on open. So this is a HTML file. If you want to save this file, you have to go to this file again, on top left corner file, click on this and you have to choose save as, and then choose the folder where you want to save. Now you have to make sure that your uh, file should be last PDF. Okay, your file should be in PDF form. You can see the PDF here, right? This were html.pdf. You have to click on save. Now if you go there, you can see a PDF file here, HTML PDF. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.